Kahapon, pinuntahan kita. I smiled as I saw your calm and being called as engineer. It's been 2 years since I've got my own thought gun, the one that got away. And for that past years, I finally moved on and my heart has healed since you left me. I was in second year high school when I first met you in a very unexpected place and time. Galing ako noon sa library at madilim na rin sa labas at malakas din ang ulan dahil my professor asked me to research about our next lesson. Hindi ko inakalang aabutin pala ako ng 7:00 ng gabi sa campus. Ako pa nga ang naglock ng library door since umalis na ang librarian. Pagkabigay ko sa guard ng susi ng library, ay tinakbo ko ang palapas sa gate at sumilong kahit na alam kong mababasa pa rin ako. Dahil I didn't bring my umbrella. Sana pala nakinig ako kay mama. Pero kung dinala ko yung payong, baka hindi kita nakilala. I saw you outside, sitting on a bench. Nakatingala ka at nakapikit. Not even minding the raindrops that were falling to you that time. You looked very miserable and lost at the same time. Wala nang masyadong dumadaan na jeep or kahit anong mga masasakyan dahil siguro malakas ang ulan at mukhang may paparating pang bagyo. What I felt that time was sympathy because you're really sad that time. Gusto kitang lapitan because I have that soft side for sad persons, but I chose not to. Sinundo ako ni mama at pinagsabihan na kung dinala ko lang sana ang payong, hindi sana ako nabasa. I can't stop thinking about you that time. Malinaw sa mga mata ko ang itsura mo. You really look handsome. Kenneth, you're still or until now. I've heard a lot about you after that night. Iniwanan ka pala ng mundo mo. That time, I thought you're exaggerating your feelings because I've never experienced being left alone. I am so full of love, and if I could give it to you, I will. I can see the sadness and emptiness in your eyes every time na magkakasalubong tayo sa hallway. One time, I saw you in the hallway of our campus cafeteria. You were there na parang may hinihintay. Nakatitig lang ako sa iyo ng mga oras na yon. Hanggang sa dumaan siya, yung ex mo. You were begging her to come back, but she refused. Saying that she doesn't want you anymore. And it really breaks my heart seeing you. Kenneth, crying so bad kahit madaming nakatingin sa'yo. I must admit na observer lang ako sa school natin. I never got the chance to be friends with someone. Kasi puro pag-aaral lang ang inaatupag ko. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng pakialam sa mga nangyayari sa schoolmate ko. At sa'yo pa. Months have passed. I stopped thinking about you and caring so much on you. Because I've realized na kailangan kong protektahan ang puso ko. I don't wanna fall in love with no assurance. But then, an incident happened. That was 2009, November, when someone attempted to rape me. I thought it was my end. Ginabi na naman kasi ako sa school. Then a guy grabbed me inside a dark room. I was crying so bad, asking for help. Then I just stopped there, praying, and knew already that it was my end. And then you came, like a knight, but not in a shining armor. You fought him and almost killed him, but I stopped you, and you listened. I asked you to keep it a secret. Tanda ko pa ang sagot mo sa akin na lalong nagpabilib sa akin sa'yo. Nahihibang ka na ba? Babae ka at muntik kang mapagsamantalahan. And you want me to keep quiet about it. Masyado ka namang mabait. Babae ka no, hindi basta babae lang. I was amazed. Hinatid mo ko ng gabing yon at pinaliwanag mo kina mama ang nangyari. My parents and brothers thanked you a lot and even asked you for a dinner the day after that. Sabi ko pa nun, Pa, wag na, he's busy. But you told them, sige po, pupunta po ako. And you smiled that my heart melted. Doon na nagsimula ang lahat. We became friends kahit minsan napaka-moody mo. Lalo na pag naaalala mo si Cheska, your ex. But I understand. We became more open to each other, especially you. You always shared every moment about you every day. And so did I. My family thought you're already my boyfriend, but I said no. Because you haven't moved on yet. Sobrang protective mo and sweet. You've got sense of humor that made me confused why Cheska left you. Ang swerte na nga niya to have you. But I guess, even you can't answer that. We've reached 4th year high school together. Still friends. Best friends. Malupit na friends. Tapos best. We were okay. But we'll be apart because we'll take college in different universities. But you don't want to. Kahit hindi ko sabihin na alam kong alam mo na ayaw ko ding maghiwalay tayo. You wanted to take engineering. At kahit fine arts ang gusto kong kunin, engineering na lang din ang kinuha ko para lang magkasama tayo. You even worried na baka di ko gustuhin ang trabaho na yun. 3 araw mo din akong kinulit, but I assured you na I'll be fine. Natuwa pa si Papa since engineer siya at si Kuya, and of course, you. We took up college in the same university together. I was falling in love with you. Not until Cheska appeared again in our story. She wanted you back. You were confused at that time, and I pushed you to her kahit nasasaktan ako. I even told you na give her a chance. And I joked too na baka kalimutan mo ko ha. But you just pinched my cheeks and told me, no way. Sabay tayong tumawa na. After months, finals na. We both got busy but we never lost time for each other. Kung minsan nga ay sabay tayo kung mag-review. In our second year of college, I was already in love with you. Very, very deep. Kumbaga sa dagat, lagpas pa ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo sa sobrang lalim. Ikaw kasi, you always make me feel special and loved. Lahat ng events, sineselebrate natin ng sabay. Kung minsan pa nga ay sa amin ka nagpapasko, habang ako naman sa inyo nag-New Year. And guess what? We are just best friends. And that really, really hurts. In a blink of an eye, we've reached our last year in engineering. At kahit mahirap, we managed to survive. Ang graduation natin nung umamin ako, you were shocked and said, I'm sorry. I was in teary eyes and told you, it's okay. I don't expect you to love me. But you stopped me by saying the words, that's not what I meant. I'm sorry because these years, nagtataguan lang pala tayo. I love you too, Sandra. I was the happiest girl that time. Imagine, we both reached our dreams together. We both took the board exam and both passed it. We are both officially engineer. Kenneth. That was the happiest time. Our family celebrated together and we're both happy for us. You even told these words in front of our families. I'll marry this girl 2 years from now, while hugging me back. I smiled and imagined about our future. Sobrang ganda ng istorya natin. Pero may mga problema din tayong hinarap. Bumalik si Cheska ulit and begging you to come back. I was so devastated the moment you talked to her. You didn't even talk a glance on me. I was sitting in front of our house that time nang pumunta si Cheska at kinausap ako. Ito lang ang tumatak sa isip ko. Sabi niya, please let him go. He needed time for himself to reach his dreams. May nag-offer sa kanya sa Singapore, and that's my father. He wants to grab the opportunity but he's afraid you'll be mad. Iyak ako ng iyak habang ikaw tawag ng tawag sa akin. We broke up week after that. Sabi ko, reach your dreams. Just come back if it's still me. I love you. That was the last thing I've said na pinagsisihan ko days after. Walang araw na di ako umiyak kahit gumagawa ng plano sa opisina. My boss asked me to take a leave so that I can rest. After 2 months, I've heard lumipad na ang eroplano niyo patungong Singapore na lalong sumira sa akin. My family were there for me to comfort me, but that was not enough because I miss you so bad. Every second of my life. 2 years after that, you came back until your mom called me. Nakarating na ba si Kenneth siya? I was confused Kasi wala naman. Sumagot ako, wala po tita. Pupunta po ba siya dito? I asked and your mom said, oo, iha. Kanina pa. 3 hours earlier. My heart beats faster as it was used to be. Na-aksidente ka, Kenneth. Narinig ko ang sigawan sa loob ng kwarto mo nang pumasok ako sa hospital. I was thinking positive, but I can't. Napaiyak ako ng todo nang marinig ko ang mahabang linya mula sa machine na nakakabit sa'yo. I was crying so bad at that time. Gusto kong magwala. Iuntog ang sarili ko sa pader. I can't explain the pain I was feeling that time. You died. You died, Neth. Sa burol mo, lahat umiiyak, lalo na kami ng mama mo. Halos maiyak na din si kuya sa pag-iyak ko. Naaalala ko, sabi ng mama mo na, alam mo na, Sandra, kaya siya pumunta sa inyo kasi gusto na niyang mag-propose. Habang nandoon kasi siya sa Singapore, hinahanda na niya lahat. Even your gown. But unluckily, hindi siya umabot sa'yo. I guess, this is God's plan. Sabay kaming humihikbi ni tita. At hindi maipaliwanag ang bigat at sakit na nakadagan sa dibdib namin. Bakit? Ang sakit hanggang ngayon. Sheska even told me na inaya kanyang magpakasal. But you kept on rejecting her dahil babalikan mo ako. Dahil ako ang gusto mong pakasalan. Sobrang nalugmok din ako sa sakit ng nararamdaman ko. I even tried to commit suicide, but God doesn't want me to die. Baka nga ikaw rin ang nag-request nun sa kanya. But, Kenneth, I'm okay now. I have a 1-year-old daughter already. Even walang father. It just happened na aksidenteng nabuntis ako ng walang kwentang lalaki. And I know you got mad to that guy. I've heard that guy got into an accident and still admitted in an hospital. Maybe that's his karma. I can do this, Kenneth. Don't worry. I am already okay, but still afraid to give my heart again with someone else. But you. I still cry, Kenneth, but better than before. I love you, and I guess you're my great, great love. I am 24 now, and still celebrates your birthdays. I even introduced you to my daughter. There's this guy who's courting me for 11 months already. Please give me the will to love again. Kenneth, I'll never forget you. Even when decades will pass, I will still have you in my heart. Sandra.